This week we will be finishing up our poetry alphabet book. S is for sonnet. Yellow dog. I went out to the barn one wintry night. To shut the door, the wind had opened wide. I was surprised to see by lantern light a yellow dog was sitting there inside. I did not know her, nor did she know me, and if I got too close, she raised her fur. But she was hungry, it was plain to see, and gobbled up the food I offered her. Those wintry days she would not let me near, but as spring rains began to thaw the ground, she licked my hands and let me scratch her ears. And by my side she followed me around. And now upon my feet she lays her head, and sleeps each night on pillows by my bed. So notice that the rhyme scheme of this poem is A, B, A, B, until we get to the last stanza, and we have A, A. This poem is giving us a lot of imagery. If we were to close our eyes, we could imagine barn doors flying open wide by the wind. We could imagine what a dog gobbling up some food if they were really hungry in the cold. We could imagine the rain and the dog being there to lick the person's hand, the person scratching their ears, and laying by their bedside on pillows. And so this picture might be what some of you guys imagined, or something similar. T is for Tonka. Waxy hexagons dripping with oozy nectar, sealed with vaulted hives. Be careful of stinging swords, guarding a golden treasure. So, this is cute. This is a poem about bees guarding their hives. And a tanka, if you see over here, is a Japanese poetry form with a count of 57577 syllables per line. So this line has 5, this one has 7, 5, and then the last two both have 7 syllables. So we are going to pause here, and on the next line you are going to, 1, tell me what is our keyword here that helps give a vivid image. So what creates that imagery in your head? I'm looking for one specific word. And 2, where's our alliteration here?